Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to streamline your sales process with our Salesforce integration. Let's get started. Before we dive in, it's worth noting that this integration is only available on the monday.com Enterprise plan. Additionally, you must be an Enterprise or Unlimited subscriber in Salesforce. To access the Salesforce integration, open the Integration Center and select the Salesforce icon. Here, you will find all available recipes to connect monday.com and Salesforce. Each recipe consists of a trigger and an action. Information can be pushed from Monday to Salesforce or from Salesforce to Monday. You can even add both recipes for a full two-way sync. Regardless of the recipe you choose, changes will be synced between the tools automatically. Upon clicking your recipe, you'll need to connect to your account. To do so, you'll want to ensure that you have admin access or API permission in Salesforce, and that you've installed our integration package here. When ready, enter your subdomain here. In case you're unfamiliar, this can be found under your Account tab in Salesforce. From there, click Connect and proceed to allow access. Thanks to these dynamic fields, you can configure your integration to fit your needs. In this case, let's add converted leads to Monday to keep track of our active accounts. To finish things up, click on Item to map Salesforce fields to Monday columns. By clicking on the plus sign, you can select the proper field to pull from to ensure that all of your information is synced properly. For a full list of supported objects and fields, be sure to check out our Salesforce article linked below. When finished, click Done, then Add to Board. Now comes the fun part. As leads are marked converted in Salesforce, they will be added to monday.com automatically. As I mentioned earlier, both platforms will stay up to date with any changes. Now, we can assign ownership in Monday and ensure that all of our team members have the information they need. Not too shabby. That's it for now. Click here for more on integrations and all things monday.com.